And this is Ron, part of the Ron Elliott team with the Kai's Company, here today at Bryn Mawr Ocean Towers. That's 5059 North Highway A1A in Unit 203. Hey, love to see you today, 11 o'clock to 2 o'clock. We're here. Beautiful day, beautiful beach day weekend. Love to see you here. This unit is amazing. It is turnkey. You don't need to do anything except pack your bathing suit and head out to that beach. It is fantastic. Bryn Mawr is one of the nicest communities on North Beach, over 14 acres. It's one of the least dense complexes here, deeded from the river to the ocean with a tunnel going under A1A. Hey, safe for the kids, safe for the grandkids. Come on out, check it out. My name's Ron. Reach me here at this number, 772-999-4365. I hope to see you out there. Happy weekend, everybody.